Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. I have a really exciting video for you guys. It is my #1 manifesting method, which is called scripting. So this is a really fun exercise you can do, and it helps me manifest the fastest. Like, I have seen results within a day's time. Pretty much everything that I write down in this journal, I have at least manifested within a year. Everything I wrote down came true, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. It is not just writing things down and expecting them to come true. There are some steps you need. So it can be easy if you let it be easy and if you master it, or it can be difficult, but I am going to tell you my best possible way to get your brain to do this. You will need a journal. I bought this on Amazon. It says positive mind, positive life, super simple, but I really encourage you to get a journal specifically for scripting. Do not write anything else in this journal. This is your magic journal here, okay? This is where you manifest everything. And you'll also need a pen. I prefer pen because it's more permanent. I wouldn't really suggest pencil unless you just like writing with it, but I also write the dates on the page that I'm on so that I can know when I decided to manifest this and see how long it actually took me. So I personally do it at night. When I first got into it, I was doing it morning and night, so like as soon as I woke up in the morning and as soon as I went to bed. A lot of the times it would be very repetitive of the thing that I was manifesting, so I'd write the same thing down over and over and over again at night and in the morning. This method also helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job and pursue YouTube full-time. It helped me to earn a significant amount of money that I never thought would be possible. It has helped me to manifest my dream car, my dream apartment. It helped me move to Florida. It essentially is how I created my dream life. I would not be telling you this if I did not 100% believe that this is the reason why. This is 100% the reason why I have created my dream life. Let me break it down for you of what you need to do. When we are manifesting, we want to feel as if. You can write it down all you want, you can say it out loud all you want, you can feel it all you want, but if you don't feel it every single day all day, or if you don't believe in it, then it's not going to happen. Let's say you want to manifest money. Everyone wants money, I feel. You know, you want to manifest money. Let's do it, okay? The more specific you get, the better. I've heard of people who try to manifest money, but they don't get specific with it. They don't say, please send money to me in a positive light. No, they just say, please give me money, universe. You know, like, I have all this money in the world, blah, 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 so grateful. And then they end up in a car accident and suing somebody. So be careful about what you are exactly manifesting, because you don't want your money to come from something that could potentially be negative or harmful. With everything can come at a cost. Just be careful of how you are manifesting that and get specific as possible. Where do you want this money to come from? You don't need to get into those details. You could also just say, I am so grateful to have an abundance of money. This money came to me with light and positivity. You don't want to say, universe, please give me money, please, please, please. Do not beg. If you beg a person to stay with you, you think they're gonna stay with you? Probably not. I could create a whole different topic on money, but money's an energy. Just like anything else in life is an energy source, including people. So you need to treat it as that. You need to create those feelings as if you already have it. One thing that you have the power over is your feelings and your belief systems. So when I manifested my dream car, I manifested a certain amount of money. I had to feel as if I already had it. So I did not only script it, I also meditated on it. I also felt as if I already had it and would not stop meditating until I cried happy tears that I had it. That is how intense this gets. You're gonna write down everything in your journal, and whether you believe in God, the universe, or let's say, I don't know, like whatever you believe in, you can write down, dear universe. I use the universe, I'm not religious, but if you are religious, you can also use this with God as well. I'm just gonna say universe because that's my belief, but dear universe, thank you so much for all of the blessings that you've given me in my life. Thank you so much for my dream car. I feel so safe in my dream car. These are the things that I wrote down in my journal to manifest my dream car. Like, let me open this up and go back to a different page here. So May 14th, this was when I ordered my Tesla, but it was like back ordered or whatever, and then it came early because I manifested it to come early. So I said, thank you universe for our Tesla. We are so grateful it arrived early. I am so happy to drive our Tesla Model 3. I feel so safe driving. I am so thankful to afford such a luxurious car. It is everything I want, white interior and exterior. I make amazing videos in the Tesla. I also just took the Tesla to get my teeth fixed, which, oh my God, I'm about to do. What? Like, I'm literally manifesting. Guys, it costs me almost $6,000 out of pocket to get my teeth fixed. I can't go through insurance. It's a whole separate topic that I'm not gonna get into, but I've been struggling struggling for a long time trying to get my teeth fixed and trying to come up with the money to do so, and I just manifested that. I have an appointment on literally in a couple days to go get my teeth fixed, and I wrote it down in this journal. I also just took the Tesla to go get my teeth fixed. I am so thankful to no longer have cavities, and I also drive the Tesla to the post office to ship clothes I sell on Depop, which I do now. I am so grateful to make so much money. Thank you, universe. And that is how I do it. Now, that's not all I do, of course. Like I said, I meditate on that. I go to sleep, I meditate. I'll do a guided meditation to make me feel those feelings. When you are about to sleep and when you wake up in the morning, your brain is like in between sleeping and reality. It's like in the dream zone, so to speak. That is the most powerful times to manifest, which is why I suggest doing it before you go to bed and when you wake up in the morning. Sometimes I'll have a meditation playing for 8 hours of affirmations, and it comes into my subconscious brain. There are so many steps that do come after you script. I suggest doing it at least every single night. I used to do it morning and night, but what I do in the morning now when I wake up, the first thing I do is I read what I wrote the night before so that I can feel it as soon as I wake up in the morning. And then I meditate on those thoughts and those feelings, and that is what causes me to feel as if I already have it. You can control your feelings. You can be delusional. It is okay. You don't have to live in reality. Trust me, it is much better to live in the life that you want before you even have it. There's nothing to be upset about at that point. You have it. There's nothing you're lacking. So it is so much better to live that way. As long as you're not causing harm to others or anything, I don't see what the problem is with being delusional. I really don't. Be delusional. I'm telling you, like, meditation and scripting combined has changed my freaking life. Before I started scripting, I legit was so depressed. This is what got me to stop being depressed. I meditated and I started scripting and my life changed. Let me read you the first thing that I wrote in this notebook. Pretty much everything came true, and okay, so some of these things were true at the time, so I'll say that. Thank you, universe, for everything you have given me. It makes me so happy to have Zara, the best cat in the world, which I did have her, and I am always so grateful for her because she has helped me through so much. She's my emotional support animal. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to rescue and save kittens. At the time, it was during the pandemic, and this was before I had even started fostering kittens, and I did foster kittens, and that is how we ended up with Mochi, our other cat. Thank you, universe, for giving me success on YouTube, which it did. I hit 100K. Oh my god, we hit 100K. Thank you guys so much. I am so grateful to make $5,000 a month, which I've hit, and I literally made a video. It's a personal video, so I don't think I'll ever share it, but I made a video of me just crying happy tears when I realized that I hit that goal of mine. I was like, oh my god, I did that. I never thought it was possible, but I did. I no longer have to worry about money. I have so many video ideas, which I do. I've been filming all day today. I am so excited to make more videos, and I'm so happy and overjoyed. I also have the best boyfriend, Haruki. Now he's my husband. It makes me so happy that he supports my dreams and loves me truly. We get married in a month, and I found my perfect wedding dress. Oh my god, we already got married. Guys, like, we're married. This was 2 years ago I wrote this. I am so grateful I get to spend the rest of my life with him. I am so thankful we are able to afford this. I am so thankful for the amazing body I have. I am so healthy. Wow, at the time I remember I was so insecure, and I'm so confident now. I am so healthy, I have abundance, and I am loved. Thank you, universe, for giving me the best life. So that was the first thing I ever wrote. I don't think it was the first scripting thing. I actually have a separate page, but I also wrote in here that I quit my job. Get this, it was 1 month before I ended up quitting my job. I wrote in that journal that I was about to quit my job and do YouTube full time. It took 1 month to manifest that. That's it. I have manifested everything through that journal and through my feelings and my beliefs. If your belief system is not aligning to what you want to be in life, you need to reevaluate, because you get in life a reflection of what you are being. When you write in this journal and when you say you are grateful for the things that you are essentially lacking in the reality, when you write in this journal, you are wiring it in your brain that you are already being that. Therefore, it creates a domino effect of you going out and taking the actions to do it. You can't just sit in bed all day and do nothing, and you can't have resistance towards it. If you already have it, why would you feel resistance towards it? Do not want it then? If you write this down and then you think in the back of your mind, you're like, oh, like, let's see if it happens, I don't know. You're not gonna get it. Why would you get it? If you write it down and you solely believe all day, every single day, you are going to achieve this and you already have it, you will get it fast. So when you wake up in the morning, after you wrote that, I want you to read it to yourself and feel those emotions that you already have it, and watch your life change. But you can't just write it down and leave it and not think about it. Some people say that works, but I find it better to feel as if you already have it throughout the day. Don't think about what what you wrote down, but just feel like you already have it and like you've already expressed your gratitude to the universe every single day for having it. And the universe will give it to you. When your vibration is aligned with the things that you want in life, the universe will give it to you so quickly, because the universe is gonna be like, what? Like, why don't they have this yet? Their vibration matches. Okay, here. Let's give it to them. This only works if you believe it works. It is up to you to change your beliefs. That's how I manifested my dream life, honestly. Everything I wrote down has literally come true in one way or another. I don't think I've ever wrote anything down that didn't come true, honestly. Every time I write down in this journal, it sends a message to the universe like, hey, give this to her. She already vibrationally has it. Give it to her physically. What I want you to do after you're done watching this video, do not sit there and be like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Go to the store right now. Get yourself a journal if you don't already have one. Write a letter to the universe or God, whatever you believe in, or to yourself, and just write on a piece of paper, thank you so much for whatever you're manifesting, and feel it. Do meditations and go about your day as if it has already happened. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this, and leave a comment down below of what you're manifesting as if it's already happened. Leave a little scripture in the comments. I want to see what you guys are manifesting and what you already have in your life, and I will congratulate you and support you through this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!